What up, guys? It's Molly here today, and we're going to be opening some really cool toys. But before I can start opening these toys, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you know when we post a new video. So let's get started. I'm going to start out with the Hatchimal, then the L.O.L, and then the Hatchimal, the Doughmis, and then the L.O.L. So let's get started. We have a purple egg, light purple egg. I have a trick to opening Hatchimal eggs faster. That's how I did it earlier, because I opened a few Hatchimals earlier. And I just warmed them up. Alright, 3, 2, 1, crack. Aww, it's so cute. It's purple. Who is this? Oh, it's so darn cute. He's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in a little garbage bag right here. Okay. Next one is the L.O.L. This is the Lils. That peeled so wonderfully. Our clue is Makeup Queen. It's a beautiful coral container. And final layer, and then we have a toy. Okay, I'm going to open this. Okay, I'm going to open. Let's see what's in here. A little crown. That's cute. I'm going to open that last. I have a little purse, and it's got really cute edges. And now the doll. I wonder if it's going to be a pet or a little sister. It's a little sister! Oh my goodness, she's so cute. I'm going to put the crown on her, actually. It doesn't stay on very well because she has a very small head. Let's see who we got now. I was actually really hoping I didn't get a duplicate because I have a few from the series. This is Her Little Majesty. Oh, that's cute. I actually have Oops Ham and Fierce Meow. Those are the two I have. So this is my first little sister, actually. That's really nice. Okay. I'm just going to take all this garbage, set it on the ground. This garbage and put it on the ground. Alright, the last one. The last toy for today. Alright, is the Pikmi Pop Surprise Doughmis. Okay, I'm just going to worry about that later. I love this. This is actually one of my favorite kinds of donuts. Okay, let's see who we have. It smells really good. Let's see who it is. Oh, it's Kisby the manta ray. Smells like strawberries. Yep. It's Kisby the manta ray. And it says, seize the day. And it comes with, let's see where Kisby the manta ray is on here. Kisby the manta ray is a comet. It just smells really quick. I wish you guys could smell it through the camera. Just toss it and then you guys can smell it. This smells really good. It smells like strawberry. It smells more like a strawberry gum. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you know when we post a new video. See you guys later. Bye!